Welcome back to the Microbit Basics course. I'm Helen. Today we're going to take a look at how we can use your Microbit to create sound. Learning how to code your own songs that play at the touch of a button, or code your own gesture-controlled sound effects are so much fun for you and your class. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to hack a pair of headphones so you can listen to your Microbit. You'll know how to use audio as an output. You'll look at coding audio in your block editor and how to use loops to manipulate it. And you'll also learn about the educational and real-world applications of sound. Are you ready? You can code your Microbit to make music or sound effects. But to hear your audio, you're going to need an external speaker. One of the easiest ways to do this is by hacking a pair of headphones. To do this, you're going to need a pair of ordinary headphones with an audio jack and 2 crocodile clips. Connect one crocodile clip to the bottom part of your audio jack. This is the bit nearest the plastic. Connect the other end of this crocodile clip to the GND, or ground, pin of your Microbit. Connect your other crocodile clip to the top part of your audio jack, the bit furthest away from the plastic. Connect the other end of this crocodile clip to pin 0 on your Microbit. This closes the circuit. This technique also works for speakers with the same kind of audio jack. If you get stuck, check out this link for a handy guide to hacking your headphones. So, we've hacked our headphones, but before we can listen to any audio, we're going to need to code it. Are you ready? Let's go back to the Make Code block editor. Remember, this is Microbit specific, but there are other ways to code. For example, you can use Scratch for block-based programming, or for the next level up in complexity, you might want to try a text-based language, such as JavaScript or Python. You don't need to be musical to make the Microbit play some music. Let's start simply. I'm choosing an input, in this case on button A pressed, and then I'm going to click on the red music section. I drag out Start Melody, repeating once, and I'm going to choose Birthday. Let's see if it works in the simulator by pressing button A. If you want to create the music yourself, you might want to use a loop so that you can repeat notes easily. To do this, go to the green loop section and choose Repeat 4 times. Drag and drop it into the event handler, and then put the play tone, middle C, inside that, as well as a rest of half a beat. After that, I put another loop. This is an example of how loops can make writing code much simpler by not having to write the same code multiple times. Let's see how this works on your physical device. Once your code is ready, you'll need to transfer it to your Microbit, just like this. Connect your Microbit to your computer using a USB cable. Next, choose a name for your file, and press Save. What happens next depends on the type of computer you're using, but they're all pretty similar. You'll need to press Save, and then the code will be saved as a .hex file on your computer, probably in your Downloads folder. Once you've saved the file onto your computer, you can drag and drop your .hex file from the location where you saved it onto the Microbit, which will appear as a drive when you plug the Microbit in. Your Microbit is ready to use when the yellow light stops flashing. If your school uses tablets instead of computers, you can use Bluetooth to send your code to your device. Just visit this website to find out how. So, let's see if it worked. We press button A and listen. We have music. have now seen how to create audio for Microbit. This process is very similar for other coding platforms and languages, such as Scratch, Python, and JavaScript. Okay, so the Microbit sound may not be orchestral, but think about how it can be used in your classrooms. Does it have a place to inspire children in music lessons who don't play an instrument? How can it motivate children in science and computing classes? I saw one project where the Microbit played a sound every time a goal was scored in table football. What could you and your students create with a Microbit and the ability to make sound? Think big and get creative. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy music making, and I'll see you soon.